how to create any DOM sticker in Instagram story. On this process, you'll have to simply firstly open the Instagram app on your device and simply log into your account. Okay, so after that, you'll have to type on the search field for do it like this. Okay, so after searching do it like this in the search field, you will have to move with the sections account, and simply from here you can find the Instagram account do it like this. So simply you have to go with the first one that will appear with this profile, so simply click on it. Okay, so now from this you will have to go with the highlights. So simply I'm choosing the 2025 here, so simply I have to open it. Okay, so from here I can choose the random DOM sticker to add on my story. So simply I will choose this one. So simply to add this DOM sticker in your story, you will have to click on this add option. So simply you have to click on this add yours. So simply I'm clicking. Okay, so the sticker has been added on my story. So to add our pictures on that, you will have to click on this frame option. Like you can set multiple frames on this. So I will choose 6 frame here. Okay, so the frame has been added. Okay, so after this, you will have to add 6 pictures on this section. So you can also add the 6 snaps by capturing through your Instagram, or you can add from the gallery. So simply I'm choosing from my gallery. So from here, I will select these 6 pictures from here to add on my Instagram story. So I'm selecting. Alright, so as you can see, I have added the 6 images from my gallery. So likewise, you can also add the pictures from your gallery, or as usual, you can take snaps from here. So that's all. This is the easiest method to add any DOM stickers in Instagram stories. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.